Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Wednesday before the USDA report, and overnight beans are a little bit higher, corn and wheat's about unchanged. I think the big news overnight was the sharply lower U.S. dollar. Looked like the chances of a rate hike here in the United States in 2016 is declining. So we also saw gold rally on that news, and the stock market should open up a little bit higher. As far as the crude oil market, it's lower. In July, Saudi Arabia had record production, and that increase in supply is offering some resistance to the crude oil market. Also, there is some concern that the global economy slowdown is probably the reason why the U.S. can't raise interest rates at these times. As far as the other news, cash markets being a little bit firmer on record demand. We've had 10 consecutive days here in the U.S. where the Chinese or unknown has seen increase in soybean sales. So we'll see if there's any other announcements today. As far as export sales tomorrow, over the last 10 days, we've seen 3.1 million tons of beans sold to either China or unknown. So that could be supportive going into that report. Cash corn market kind of mixed, mostly on the defensive. We've got the southern harvest starting, but we also note that farmers are kind of cleaning out the bins of the 15 crop to make room for 16 crop. We have some tropical depression in the Gulf that's going to move some rain up into the Delta and into the southeast. That could slow the corn harvest there a little bit. But when we look at the 6 to 10 day and the 18-14 day weather maps, they're all calling for normal to above temps and possibly normal to below rainfall. So that should help maturation and should help the harvest eventually. So going into this report, trade's looking for a 171 corn yield versus 168, 47.5 bean yield versus 46.7. That should increase the corn carryout. The bean still kind of up in the air with USDA could raise old crop export demand and maybe new crop export demand to offset a little bit higher supply. So going into the report, it could be negative to corn and positive to beans, and that's basically what the funds are doing, adding to their long in beans, adding to their short in the corn market. Yesterday, funds, buyers of beans, meal, oil, they sold corn and wheat. Continue to have a big long position in beans, adding to a short position in corn and near record short in the wheat. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.